In this video, we will discuss the top 3 best bipods. So let's get started. Number 3. UTG Tactical OP Bipod. If you are looking for a bipod that combines cost and quality, this is the one. It is inexpensive, but it's made out of high-quality aluminum and steel. It includes 5 different length settings for different shooting conditions. This tactical bipod includes rotating tacks and special assemblies that adapt to the measurements of the rifle. The combination of its materials helps prevent oxidation and, at the same time, guarantees its durability. This tactical bipod can be used quite easily since it is lightweight. It is also easy to install, with its spring-operated legs. Number 2. Magpul Rifle Bipod. This is a mid-range bipod, but it is quite elegant. It is not only designed to reduce movements, but also to hide its mechanisms and hardware. It is made of 6061 T6 anodized aluminum and injection-molded polymer to make it lightweight, but durable. It can be easily adjusted with one hand. Also, it can extend up to 4 inches. This Magpul bipod, however, is not suitable for very heavy rifles, a problem that is very common with some brands. Also, some components may become loose over time. Number 1. Accushot Atlas Bipod Standard. As our best bipod overall, the accushot Atlas Bipod Standard is a high-quality and robust gadget. It's made with a combination of aluminum and high-quality steel to improve the grip on any Picatinny rail. This bipod has the ability to rotate and tilt 360 degrees, allowing you to shoot in any direction without moving the weapon. Its legs are adjustable up to 9 inches. It is lightweight, rust-resistant, and very durable. However, it has some negative aspects. Some users claim that the legs may be loose. Also, the price range may be a bit high, as it is one of the most expensive on the market.